Yeba hano, yebesi toilets, amamu. Yebesi toilets. In all, yebesi 8-unit toilets, 4 8-unit toilets, 32 toilets in all, among the people of Angogu.
After all these things, and let me bought videos about Baumia Eka toilet on some. I know begin some time Baumia, but you see, if you have a former vice president, now on your opportunity for 8 years, now Otumi Ejina TV so say toilet for all policy. Then you start to ask yourself, say, at the end of who will be one, they be a Osoriana, a binin some, a bininie, and because there are so many videos of Baumia talking about toilets, and sometimes you ask yourself, say, guy wait for 8 years, no, at the end and a priority as a former vice president, like Debiano, we in the videos 5 and now 3 cry, Uba could be our toilet and once a move, a bini, like every single time, Biano. So you ask yourself, say, Nabaumia. Time and vice president, and the priority today, not the priority in Nyanchom, and not TV, and not Dien. One we didn't know, Sabio, with a sorry. But sometimes, you know, people ask, I don't know about me, a time of a vice president, not be a toilet, be a toilet, be a dying, you see me, 8-unit, 32 toilet, and also could be in a toilet for, or toilet for all policy, Yatiha. They be almost sorry an NPP for your policy. Mutumi the buyer be do toilet for all programs and policy. And sometimes you ask yourself, say, are these the same people today? Omoka say, yemfa to me more, eh? Minim de ebini aye NPP for. I don't know what Baumia ne last, and I said ne fantasy about toilets. I don't know what is going on in his home. I don't know what is going on with him when it comes to ebini, because 8 years on your opportunity be a ebini policy, toilet policy, and a ebini policy, and your basic bini dying, and your bay almost free power crown. We are still talking about ebini. Look, this is the NPP, almost free power. NPP almost free power. See, the Public Accounts Committee, PAC, of the Parliament of Ghana has ordered the summoning of 2 senior public officials to account for 8.2 million Ghana cedis in toilet construction contracts after key documents were not produced at the hearing. NPP time, they were able to find a way to steal through toilets initiative. And sometimes you ask yourself, at the end of NPP, and this is what transpired at the Public Accounts Committee.
The truth of the matter is that this transaction took place at the erstwhile Ministry of Sanitation and Water Resources, and it was under the leadership of Honorable Cecilia Abnadapa. And I think it was 2019. So even though we are in 2026, it is 10 years, 5 years or 6 years now. So we did our best, but the good news is that the officers who handled this transaction are still at post in other ministries. The director for procurement was one Mr. Theophilus Okan. He's still at the Ministry of Defense. And Mr. Bright Odro Kwatin, he's now director of finance at the Ministry of Trade and Agro-Business. So they are still alive, they are still in public service, and I don't want to be a victim of what the Bible says, that I was made to answer questions for which I have no idea about. Archives, I don't know, the thing is not up to 10 years, and you are taking them, you say that you've been sent to archives. And, Mr. Chairman, we have the names of the contractors here, and the contracts, and it has to do with the government policy of toilet for all before 2020. They were giving mobilization, and they didn't go to site. Construction of 300 household toilets in Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly, construction of 200 household toilets in Tamale, construction of this and this. The contractors and their names with the amount are here, and we'll make them available to the committee.
It is like NPP in Bini there. I just don't get it. Just say, Kofona started a Bini Samo Ghana, near to your baby. and the Tafreka and I'm Ghana, Montumami, you bit my boy, and the attitude Ghana, and a JJ Rollins, and Onyini Papa, and a Muamunim. Say, we are said, and Kwasia Benny name, and a palatable, and our best at TBC, a year, a Bini dying, Kofona status idea winner, NPP. They have embraced toiletism. Toiletism. Like, if the party has so much confidence in toiletism. I just say a binisam okay no charge. The same way Baumia and Ekufuado power. Omujina toilet a binisun of the campaign, sir.
In the first 2 years of an MPP administration, under this infrastructure for poverty eradication program, where every constituency will get $1 million every year for rural and deprived communities. Under this program, there should be no village or community in Ghana after the first 2 years that would have a water problem or a toilet problem. A problem or a toilet problem. There should be no village or a water problem or a toilet problem.
Oh, video now, Obi will say, wow, MPP for need bini die. Ko first start a epic toilet, but this is toilet rough. President we took no akogina toilet no twa humem na ahemfu di na chi bon nsem. Ko first see bini dan, e dan ko first see otumi toilet, na toilet ni echi na esi wall, na etwa humem, ye be ko na toilet ni ho. And Ekufuado ne ba omi asuaye toiletism. Political toiletism. And almost baye and a binisam Baumia ne Ekufuado bejina 8 years. Mahamudu Baumia owura baby a toiletism. Owura toiletism. Echire we hu bini dan na ne wo sresre. Otumika toilet for all policy. Ne tikrom ha. We still want to hand power to these people who were thinking about toilet for all policy. Toilet for all policy. And these are the policies of Betina TV. So, yene party there, party of Akrachi for toilet for all policy. And na omode run Ghana. Inti kofobe ye no because the odi echesua de onim nantie Ekufuado ne ba omiesua kofo nantie hepek toilet obesi bini dying. A bini dying. A one about say, ye di eye maya fi any eye lazy, a category so near the good toilet, Nakofua became toilet who lays. Maya fia, incredible for my best sign or more, adia, Yetumuko to Maya fi ko 4 time. Now, or the best sign toilet, no ye lazy, a category so, no, the best sign ho, Messiah, get me one. MPP in 1 time. Lazy ya edikata papa aduane so yi yedikata menso otabo aduane so yedikata asofo mpenifu aduane so no na sebio na yede akosan toilet no na kofuo yi eye kisok eye scissors kakraka na telafo twa na kra what was that apasoro what was that apasoro sa apasoro Mr. Frimpong mo di twa material no utwa de kra ne yade ashakofuo nsem be matenten gramo ne we twa teta yes wow and omususu akofo omunya atumia na omuso bae na ene ebinisem omunya atumia na mobae 2017 and omsade ka kire Ghana for ye besie bini yetete ya yanka bibia nkire mo minim de ebini aye MPP for they just have this joy the way they are able to the way MPP, they are able to discover foolish people, no, they have that same fantasy when it comes to discovering toilet sites. A bini die, a chewanka, my MPP for ante. The omuchiso because a bini, no mudimrika, toilet for all policy. Not motigana kaja say, yeni ya catch for, and you sit there, na omuya campaign, na omuke bini hunsam, campaign.
The lives of the people of Agbogbolosyi matter as much as the lives of the people of East Legon or cantonments. Enti yeba hano yebesi toilets amamu.
Tiasema obiera no kai enti yeba hano yebesi bini dying yebesi toilets yeba hano. That means that the purpose. So if you want to brofwa ana onti asante kasa na medwudwum ana twi kasa ye ba ha no meaning there was a purpose for coming ye di petrol gu ka mu ye so a document ye di nsuo gu ka mu ye sesa magu ka mu ye gya ye dwuma gu wo no enti ye ba ha no o kire mo say the purpose inti omo ba ye ne say omo ba ba eden ebesi ebini dan toiletism party of toiletism. They just enjoy explanation, dedicating, and then and adoring toiletism. This is the new kind of politics we do in Ghana. A politician stand on stage and let toiletism be his political statement. Ye ba hano, ye be see toilets. Just say ye jay jumane go be see binidan.
The lives of the people of Agbogboloshi matter as much as the lives of the people of East Legon or cantonments. Enti yeba hano yebesi toilets amamu yebesi toilets in all yebesi 8-unit toilets, 4 8-unit toilets, 32 toilets in all, ama the people of Agbogboloshi. Unit toilets, 32 toilets in all, ama the people of Agbogboloshi. Usori na uko toilet, uya ubejari enyasa, ubejari. Sorry na uko toilet uya ubejari enyasa ubejari sorry na uko toilet uya ubejari enyasa ubejari
osabusa omo questions ni trimuno. The only time Agbogboloshi for any East Legon for your pay a bini, the common factor, the X, the only time in the head of Mahmoud Bawumia NPP for no Agbogboloshi for any East Legon for a peno a emra yedi e bini hun komo toiletism. Toiletism. From elephantism to toiletism. This is the political party. Almost a yen stand for 2 mima. The only time in the heads of the NPP and in the eyes or in the wisdom of Bawumia, the Agbogboloshi people and East Legon people or cantonment people are the same. Peno na e bini hun komo toiletism. Na dia yare say wa show body be catch Agbogboloshi for say moya there munni wia mo bedware say munni wia tie nie tie Bawumia say we ejira ni pe ni munni ni pe kasa why na we wia say oni onware ana Bawumia oni onware why na ni a onware ujira ni pe nim ye pe policies toilet for all policies na bi nie ujina ni pe kan say wonni wia obedware na papa panyini toto wa hohoro woto akogina Ghana fo anim.
The lives of the people usori na uko toilet uya obedware enyasa obedware usori na uko toilet uya obedware enyasa obedware usori na uko toilet uya obedware enyasa obedware.
You see, introduce some time people like us, we ask questions. Say, it's the NPP, no Diana Bawumia. What is so exceptional about him? A Diana NPP for Suya, because you see, we're 2024, now Osi and Tuabamano. But you see, before 2024, around 2020 elections, no, Bawumia Dinka Bekachere say we see a bini dying bebre Ghana. And we were thinking, say, oh, we're winning mistakes. In Tanya Dio Babaka a bini samubium. It is all taking a step back. In 2020. You saw Bawumia listing a bini dying as an achievement. Toilet for all policy. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Your Excellencies, today's presentation.
Here is a 38-in-1 cubicle private water closet facility for a rural community in the Ashanti region. The government is building over 1,400 of similar facilities for communities with no or disproportionate access to toilet facilities in all regions, plus 200 multi-unit flushable latrines, and has distributed over 17,000 units of Dignity toilets. Also, the government has built 4,765 toilet facilities in communities where open defecation is pervasive. All of these together is providing decent places of convenience for over 8 million people whose options would have been cut to either open defecation.
Most of the toilets in the data that we have just seen, that we in the table, are toilets that have been built under the One Constituency 1 Million project. But that is not the end of the story. We have about 6 projects under the Toilets for All policy, we have built 28,485 household toilets. 12,972 toilets have been built. Then there's ongoing construction of the gas slip project. 5,000 toilets are being built there. The Government of Ghana Household Toilet Program, we're building 1,900 toilets there. And Rural Sanitation Model and Strategy Program, 40,348 toilets serving 3,000 communities. And then under the Urban Sanitation Pilot Project, 21,332. So under the Toilet for All program, at least 109,000 household toilets have been constructed, benefiting 856,000 people. This is quite remarkable. And because of all of this investment that has been made in the toilet infrastructure, 5,400...
According to Mikasaka Biniwa Samaka, Oka said, this is incredible. Oka Biniwa Sam used the word incredible. How? How can you as a politician, a vice president, stand before Ghanaians and say, you know something, I have built a lot of toilets. It is incredible. And you see, or say most of the toilet in the data. Or say most of the toilet in the data. That means omu dinkai eti office omu tuwa. Ya ni no more data. Or ya ni no more data. Udim data. Ya nini akain. It's most of the toilet in the data. A bini dina ya bwa no na ya kekesi ni se cheno eno ena me obechichima. Or say most of the toilet in the data. Ya got the data. Na so ma nanti krom ha nyina hu bebi a yenne. Into a hotspot. Toiletism hotspot. A whole political party uses toiletism hotspot and build a data out of it. And they tell me, say, Mahmoud Bawumia has ideas. Are you people crazy? Or you see where it's be? Or see, under the constituency, under the one constituency, 1 million toilet program. People crazy. Or you see where it's be? Or see, under the constituency, under the one constituency, 1 million toilet program. Under the 1 million per constituency toilet program. Or can I say, and also a word be a very serious. When you did the acro, or you see what was see 6 projects under the Toilet for All policy. 6 projects under the Toilet for All policy, all factored in the toilet data. How? For 8 years. This is what these people did. Also, could any more camera for or say Government of Ghana Household Toilet Program. In Tinka, all the abbreviation never show and GGHTP. Government of Ghana Household Toilet Program. The GGHTP. How can you? How did we get here? Then he goes on to say urban sanitation project. Ni nyina ye bini wansa na ohye tai ejina ho no. Video na hu no wabotai na okasa din no na e bini wonsam no oka. Enu tin atuma nkofo we. Then he goes on to say 109,000 toilets. It has benefited 876,000 Ghanaians. Wetuma see a bini dankwa 109,000. It is in the data. Because all starting on most of the toilet in the data, meaning he was able to come to this number 109,000 from the data because he used the data to arrive at that number. So the data he keeps talking about, it is in the data. It is in the data, no? It is toilet data. Toiletism. Yeah, man, for 1 month can be a toilet app. I am telling you. Yeah, ma Bawumia and Samira for San Kwasafo. Yeah, momo 1 month can get here and then come launch toilet data, toilet app. The TA toilet app. Nanka, almost 1 money DB. Bawumia for toilets. And these are the things sometimes you sit there and ask yourself, why are these people still asking us to give them power? Why are these people asking us for more power? What is going through their heads? What is wrong with them? What's their purpose in life? What do they need? They're NPP for pay. Now let's take care of business. I want to send a message to, a very, very important. And first one, these two gentlemen. I'm going to send a very friendly message to these two guys. Freddie Blay, Banosha White, and your friend Kwame. And the guy, Glass Space, I'm kind of say, Space be a shen atadium, Cassiano, your friend Alvin. And I want to say this to the two guys, these two guys. Around 2021, Mobile $40,000 for US around the DMV area. That money is mine. The person I'm this kind of man or the man, he's been asking you people from 2021 be seen there. You guys have refused to give the money to the person. And this person is such a nice person. And that money is mine. $40,000. $3,000. I'm giving you people 24 hours. Wherever you guys are, bring the $37,000 before the week ends. And yes, it's going to be bloody. COVID time, yamamu $40,000 cash. Your show white, the friend Kwame, Freddie Blay Banono. You people are driving Bentleys and stuff in Ghana. I don't care about that. How you people make your money, I don't care. I've been asking for my money for the past how many years now? And this person was trying to protect you people because not doing someone you are honest people. I am giving you people 24 hours.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. You know it, I know it. The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.